Hey guys, welcome back to another YouTube video today. Right now I'm backing up the trailer so we can unload the salt into the shed, but I just wanted to tell you what's going on. This morning I went and bought some salt, so I will just be going over in this video me unloading it, the discounts, where I bought it from, what kind of salt, so enjoy the video. Okay, so got it all backed up, ready to unload. I'll show you guys where I'm gonna be putting it. So here's the shed. I'll probably end up putting this guy on my power washing trailer next year, but we're gonna kind of clean this out. I'm gonna lay some wood down. I don't know if it really matters, but I'm gonna lay the wood down so we can stack it on the wood. And then I'm gonna clean this stuff out, and then I might even just lay that tarp down instead of the wood, but clean this out, and then we're gonna stack it on that side so we can still get the Cub Cadet in here. So that's the plan, and I'll go show you guys the salt and tell you why I chose that kind and all that good stuff. Here we go. Okay, so I just got the white little shed cleaned out on the one side so I can stack it right there, but I'm just gonna talk about the salts, where I got them, all that stuff. So I have winter mix or winter melt, and that's the pallet full of ice melt I got. So I got that, and then that goes down to 5 degrees, and then I got the Melt Man, which goes down to -15. So my thought process was, and I talked to other people that are kind of in the snow business, they said use the Melt Man if you need it, but most of the time around where I am, even, it doesn't always get to -15s and that stuff. So the pallet of salt that I got will work most of the time, but if it's getting a little colder and a little into negatives, I'll mix some of that Melt Man in with the other salt, so it'll work as good. I just won't use a whole bag of the -15 stuff because I wouldn't need to. But if it gets down to -15s, I'll just be using fully the Melt Man stuff, a full bag of that, and I won't be bothering using the other stuff. So that's my thought process, and I went around. There's no stores that I could find a good deal at. No stores really had a bulk discount, I guess, and if they did, their salt prices were pretty high up anyways, so it wasn't really helping me out. So then last night I went to Blaine's Farm and Fleet, and I didn't think I was gonna get any good deal there, but I thought I got a pretty good deal. So for the pallet, I bought a bag of that. It was $7.99, but they brought it down to $5.99 a bag, so that's $2 off each bag, so that's a good deal, I think. And then the Melt Man stuff, it was $12.49 a bag, but they did bring it down $1, so I wasn't really expecting to get a discount on that since I only bought 15 bags of that, but luckily they came down $1. Hey, $1's $1, and I saved $1 there. So it's always good to shop around, ask for bulk discounts or discounts in general, and see if you can get a better price than other stores. Because I went to Home Depot, Menards, Farm Fleet, or whatever, and a few other stores, but none of them had the prices that I really felt comfortable going with. But Blaine's Farm and Fleet, they had it, so I just picked up all this salt today, like an hour ago, so I'm glad they had it. I'm glad they could give me a discount and all that, so hopefully you guys can go there and buy some salt from them too, unless you guys have a other place where you buy salt from. But I just wanted to let you know where I got my salt from, what the discounts were, and all that good stuff. So I'll head out and I'll show you guys the salt. Okay, so here's the pallet of salt that I bought, and it's winter melt, 5 degrees, so that's what I was talking about. here's what it looks like if you guys were wanting to get the same kind. And then Meltman, here's what the bag looks like if you want the same kind, -15, and they're all 50-pound bags, so that's what I was looking for. And 15 of these, 49 of those, and I'll be putting all these guys right up here, so in the winter I can just open these doors, load my truck up with salt, and hit the road. So other than that, I'll be recording us storing this away in the shed for you guys. I just want to make a quick little video for you guys, telling you what salt I buy, where I bought it, what the discounts are, and possibly even help you out a little bit, if not a lot. And hopefully you guys have a good snow season and get a lot of plowing and a lot of salting out. So that's my plan. I'm hoping it snows a crazy ton. Here's the plow. I don't know if I've showed you guys it all, but that truck's my plow truck, and here's the plow. I'll do a little walk around, but pretty nice. I did buy it used from a close friend, so goes to 10 foot wide, so that's pretty nice. I do like how these guys can scoop out and kind of go at an angle, so it's not just a straight blade. It can kind of scoop a little better and get more snow at once, so that's kind of why I like that. Otherwise, if it wasn't for this, I would possibly even be looking at a V-plow, but I like this guy. It was a good deal, and it was just someone right across town that I bought it from, so it was pretty easy and good process. But that's the guy I'll be plowing with this winter. Same with that truck over there. I'm hoping to take that topper off, and I don't know where I'm gonna store it yet. I don't know if I can make room in here, but well, I guess after I put the Cub Cadet in that white shed, I will have a little room in here, so possibly I could put the topper in here. And just big upgrades coming in the future. I don't want to talk about it right now. I don't want to spoil it, but big upgrades coming in the future and next season of mowing, which will be great. So other than that, I'll show you guys us unloading and stacking in the shed. So hope you guys enjoy. Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment on how much salt you buy at once and where you even get it from or what kind. Have a good day. I guess my backing up wasn't good enough, so Dad's putting it all the way back here, so easier to unload. Hey guys, right here I sped up the unloading the salt for you guys so you guys don't get bored, and you can kind of see what we're doing and how we're stacking it, if that'll help you guys in the future, stacking it in your garage, shed, whatever. Right here I was just kind of stacking, or my dad was stacking the winter melt all together so we can put the Meltman in the corner by itself, so they are separate, so we don't have to dig through and get the winter melt off the ice melt or Meltman to get it in the truck and get it ready to load up. But hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you like, subscribe, leave a comment. Have a good day.